1, 2, 3. We're at Nana's pool, and this is her granddaughter named Braelyn Brown. She wants to say something to Nana. What do you want to say to Nana?
When are you done feel better?
You want her to feel better?
Uh-huh.
All right. Let's take a tour of her pool. Can you describe her pool to me?
The pool can't move. It's in the ground.
It's in the ground. Can't move.
Uh-huh.
But it's all wet too, isn't it?
Yeah. And I don't want to fall in the pool like Kailey.
Who fell in the pool?
Kailey.
Did she get wet?
Yeah.
That was funny, huh?
Kind of.
Kind of. What if you fell in the pool? Would you be?
I'd be scared. Without my floaties out deep down into the water.
Okay, you gotta kick your legs and swim. We'll just show Nana what. Got the fence up there for you, Mom? Don't have the finalization in there.
No.
All the grass.
That's the new grass and the new fence.
Okay. Show us the old shed. Where's the old shed at?
Here.
Okay.
Right here in the new grass.
It's the old shed in the new grass. Okay, what's around here now?
That's the pool.
That's the pole, if you notice that the light's working.
Yeah.
It was a GFI. We fixed it, so you don't have to worry, hon. The light is working. The light switch works too.
Yep.
Okay. There's the fence.
Yes, that's the new fence. We got good here.
Don't walk in the grass. Don't walk in the grass.
Okay. And that's the bushes all that way.
No, I didn't say anything, but Braelyn did.
Sorry.
Hi.
And these are all, and this is new.
That's all the balls in there.
Stuff.
There's stuff on the bottom, Katie. That's what we got to do tomorrow. See, we get them balls. That's how you learn to hold your breath. That's too deep. Don't do it. We'll go in the shallow end first, okay?
We'll keep practicing. I can actually touch the bottom when I do that. All I need is my all I need is to open my eyes under the water. Like I'll get this.
The whole yard.
So I can hold my breath for a little while.
Yeah. That's how you, but you know what you're doing? You're practicing. That's how you get better.
Well, at least I got it out of the water. No. These are steps. This is a beach chair. That is the screening room. Those are the bushes. That is the new grass and the pavement. That is the pool. That is the safety rope. There's balls in the pool, a net, and the floaty things, and the the light on, and the diving board, which I did a bunch of canning, and I was fancy like that. And a bag, and two balls will sink down in the deep end.
Okay, I'm gonna just go outside and.
And then we have some more to share with you. Yeah, we do. About out front. Yeah, we'll show you out front. Ow. So I'm in my
A little bit different here, Mom. We just put grass on the inside.
Whoa.
Then we'll bring the concrete up to it here.
Oh, happy. Why did you say something
Ooh,
about
ah, ee. Ooh, ah, ah, ee. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
There is a truck driving by. I have no clue who that is. And then come here. Come here. We have
Okay.
so much to see.
There's the new grass.
Okay, come here. Come here.
Hey, Brandon, stay off the grass. That's the new grass, okay? You can. This is the old grass down here. We'll have to go like this.
So can I talk on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the old grass. Now if you follow me, I will show you somewhere. Come here, follow me. Yeah.
I'm going up the side here. Let's go up here.
Okay, that is Carol's house. Right there. She's a neighbor. I do not know. What does that say? Do attend orders?
Do unto others. Here.
What?
Do unto others.
Do unto others?
Mm-hmm. And there's the side.
And this is the side. I know sturdy door. And that is along the side. Come with us.
Here, come on over here. Hey,
With us.
come down here. Come on around here.
And then, this is a filter. I have no clue what that is. I think it's a drain to the water.
Yeah. Okay, come on around here.
And then, what's up here is the fence. Now, Don Mahler, my pappy, just built that. And
Who helped?
I forget his name.
Uncle Dave.
Oh, Uncle Dave helped too.
Yeah.
There's Carol.
Yeah.
And there, they keep building this and building this and building and I keep begging for you to throw me in the pool, which I already got dumped in the pool of my clothes, which she told you all about it. Sorry. And the other side of this fence is Nana Pappy's. And what Pappy, in 20 years you're going to have to tell this to me. Yeah,
Okay.
you're going to have to.
Going to have to show it to you?
Yeah, so I can see how funny I am. From here to the way on. Well, here, I can't believe I just said that in the video. And I can't believe I'm just saying all this stuff in the video. But this is awkward. Yeah, that's what did I just say that in that? Now, this is the pool. I fell in the deep end of the pool, which is over here. On the pool, the deep end of the pool. I fell in. And that's where I fell.
You told me not to say anything.
I know. I'm just saying. She told about it, so I thought I would just tell what I did to explain a little more compromise. Okay, we're going to show you the inside of the house.
Okay.
This is the trash can. Okay, we're going to show you
That's it for now.
We're going to go and show the inside of the house. You are so hilarious! Stop. Okay, I will not stop. Okay. Did you say stop? I fell into the pool.
You did?
Yeah.